let's get to our floor show traders, Scott Bauer, Teddy Weisberg. Scott, Apple stock up 9% this month. Let me give people that. But kind of dead money so far year to date. Meantime, Facebook's outperforming the S&P year to date. What's your trader spidey sense telling you?
Yeah, you have two really different looks here. And I love Apple, Liz, but as you just mentioned, the expectations are just over the top here. I'm a little concerned about that, but I think that they are going to absolutely crush estimates here if they show that the MacBook sales continue at these historic levels. But they definitely have a tough act to follow after, they had their first $100 billion revenue quarter last quarter. That being said, I love the upside in Apple here. I am not buying it ahead of the print here. I would buy it on any pullback. I'm not concerned about Apple running 10, 15% to the upside. I think there will be opportunity to get into it after the print. Facebook also has really, really heavy expectations here. People love it. The analysts love it. I'm very concerned about Facebook here. I actually think that there could be an issue going out with guidance here, given some of the recent commentary about the new Apple App Store issue. So I'm very nervous about their guidance. Again, I would not buy this ahead of the print. I'm not worried about this flying to the upside, but I'd buy these on any dips.
Really
That's
quickly,
right.
Scott Bauer, tell me about the price action in the markets and what you think it says about what Powell blurted out, and that is status quo, cheap money for as far as the eye can see.
Liz, you picked up on it really well. I think he did get frustrated towards the end, but you know what? The market didn't blink. The market did not really sell off on that. And in the past, when we've seen a little bit of hesitation or the algos have picked up maybe some body language or something, we have seen some big reactions in the marketplace. We didn't see that here. We didn't see bond rates really change very much at all. So I think the market really took this intact, and I think is looking ahead to the June meeting and the June commentary. That one, to me, can be a big market mover.